Lately, we've been protecting more Teslas than any other car brand on the road. Look at the rich shine on these Teslas. Simply stunning. We've either installed a paint protection film or ceramic coating. Tesla owners really understand the importance of making the investment to protect their luxury vehicle, and you should too. Paint protection film, also known as a clear bra, offers the best defense from getting scratches, watermarks, sun damage, and those ugly rock chips. They act as a clear armor to protect your vehicle from damage while preserving the original appearance with superior clarity and gloss. We are certified installers with the capabilities of installing pre-cut or custom installations. Ceramic coating, on the other hand, allows you to keep a better-than-showroom shine for years. Once your car is protected, you no longer have to wax it. They act as a sacrificial layer of protection, blocking harmful UV rays from fading your paint and contaminants from damaging your paint, while producing one of the best jaw-dropping shines on the market. Due to the hydrophobic features, washing your car will be a breeze as the ceramic coating doesn't allow dirt to stick to your car. As you can clearly see, ceramic coating offers visual excellence. The rich shine makes your car stand out from the rest. When only the best protection will do, give us a call to learn more about these two protection options. You'll be glad you did.